You ask AI a question, it answers with total confidence, then you Google it, and it's completely wrong. That's an AI hallucination. A hallucination is when an AI generates false or fabricated information and presents it as fact. It's not lying on purpose, it simply can't tell the difference. Here's the core issue. An LLM predicts the most likely next word based on training data. It's not retrieving facts, it's pattern matching at enormous scale. Training data is scraped from the web, and people online rarely write, "I'm not sure about this." So the model copied that confident tone, even when it shouldn't be. This isn't just annoying. Wrong AI output can lead to costly decisions, legal exposure, or damaged credibility. The stakes are real, which is why fixing it matters. Here's the empowering part. Your prompt controls the context the model sees and whether "I don't know" is even an option. That's real leverage. Fix 1. Constrain the scope. The narrower the task, the less the model has to invent. Telling AI what it cannot use is more effective than telling it to be accurate. Fix 2. Demand a direct quote. When you ask AI to cite the exact sentence behind a claim, it can't easily fabricate support. If it can't quote it, that's your warning signal. Fix 3. Give the model permission to say it doesn't know. Without that explicit off-ramp in your prompt, it defaults to filling the gap, usually with a hallucination. Fix 4. Use neutral framing. A November 2025 analysis of ChatGPT conversations found the model opened with agreement roughly 10 times more often than disagreement. Your phrasing shapes the answer. Fix 5. Make the model verify itself. It's not foolproof, but asking AI what it's least confident about in its own answer catches a surprising number of shaky claims. This trips up almost everyone at first. Telling the model to be accurate or not, make things up, has no measurable effect. Structural constraints are the only thing that moves the needle. Counterintuitive warning: chain of thought prompting can make hallucinations worse on factual questions. More reasoning steps give the model more chances to invent supporting details. The real power is combining these. Constrain the scope, demand a quote, and allow refusal. Those 3 together cut most hallucination risk for everyday tasks. 5 fixes, 0 code. Constrain scope, demand quotes, allow refusal, frame neutrally, and ask for self-verification. Each one alone helps. Together they're powerful. If you've ever been burned by an AI making something up, subscribe. We drop a new practical prompt skill every week. See you in the next one.